Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you love amazing food without a ton of work, then you are definitely want to hit that subscribe button, because that's what we do here. And today we are making fish tacos with a cilantro lime slaw. This is a great way to use up leftover fish because what really puts these tacos over the top is this beautiful citrusy, crunchy slaw. So if you don't have any leftover fish, that's okay. Just go ahead and pick out your favorite fish, whether it's salmon, halibut, cod, just a nice, firm, white, flaky fish, or salmon, which is not white, but it's close enough. And I'm gonna use orange roughy. This is my favorite fish because it's rich and buttery, a lot like a sea bass, but at a fraction of the price. Okay, so once you have your fish ready, go ahead and season it with your favorite jerk seasoning, or try this. Lightly sprinkle both sides of the fish with a little onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, ground allspice, nutmeg, ground cloves, cumin, and a tiny pinch of sugar. Go ahead and pop your fish into a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes while we go make our cilantro lime slaw. In a large bowl, add sour cream, kosher salt, cumin, green onions, chopped cilantro, a chopped jalapeno, lime juice, a little mango, and a little avocado. Mix this together, then stir in the shredded purple cabbage until it's all completely combined. Make sure you taste your slaw. It's pretty good. It needs a little salt, and I put in the juice of 2 limes. I'm actually gonna give it another lime because my limes were really not that juicy. But do it to taste. See what you think. I can barely taste the cumin, which for me is spot on. Okay, our fish is done. Let's go check out that. We'll go get our fish. And then we will pull this all together. Oh boy, does that smell good. All right, we've got a few tortillas over here. These are hot and ready to go. These are corn tortillas, but you could do them with flour tortillas. And we're gonna use a fresh fork. Oh gosh, fish is perfect. That alone could be dinner right there. But we are gonna doctor it up with a little cilantro lime slaw, and with its mango and avocado, and we are gonna be, all that's missing now is a margarita and a sandy beach. All right, let's see what we got. That was really good. The jerk seasoning with the cilantro is awesome. I hope my face isn't a mess, but this is really good. I hope you try this. Let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hang out for more videos, and I will see you soon, because I'm gonna be here enjoying this fish taco. Bye guys.